Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Shawn Jones Harris, creator of Zariah's Creations, and today I am here just to do a project share. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you would have seen this in its briefness. And so I wanted to come over here and show you guys and talk about it just a little bit more. This is a project share from YouTuber Jules World here on YouTube as well as Instagram. I will leave a link in the description bar down below to her tutorial. Her tutorial I found to be very easy to follow, and if you listen to everything she says, you will definitely come out with a great project. All right, guys, so Julie's YouTube topic, she calls it a DIY file folder, but to me, you guys, it looks like you can use it for various things: cash envelopes, bills, grocery lists. It is like a multi-purpose wallet to me, and I think it's super cute, and I will probably use it for a on-the-go cash envelope system. You guys have seen my previous cash envelope video. I'm trying to get into it, guys. I'm trying to try something new, but this is super cute, and when I saw it on her channel, I just had to make myself one. So let's get into it. So this pretty paper here is from Michaels. It is called Fantasy Floral, and of course I got it on sale. This is what the paper pad looks like, and it has some gorgeous sheets of paper. So if you guys are interested in grabbing it, I made these myself, these little trinkets on the side. Just some beads that I purchased from probably Michaels, actually. And I think I don't know if I got these from Hobby Lobby or Joann's. I'm not sure. Oh, actually I got these from Joann's. I'm not really sure where I got these from, but I thought they were super cute. Oh, I got these from Michaels. I got the angels from Michaels and the beads from Joann's. All right, guys. So it is sealed with Velcro, and it just so happens as I was watching her video, I was like, I have most of this stuff. If you're a paper crafter, you probably have like all the things. And so I pretty much did have all the things. I didn't have to go out and buy anything because it was right in my stash. So I had some Velcro, not the one in her video, but I had some Velcro to which I sealed it. I am loving this. All right, so here is your first layout. I have my Velcro here. I have a little slot pocket to where you can put a small notepad. I got this notepad from the Dollar Tree, and I already had this on here because of the other things that I make. And it can, I'm trying to do this from behind the camera, which is hard, but it is not hard to actually put it in because her dimensions are perfect. I just have a tripod in front of me that I am sorry if it's shaking. I'm trying not to shake because the tripod is touching the camera. I mean the table. So sorry, guys. But I wanted to show you guys the ease of it, but it's just my reach. All right, so you have a notepad here that you can replace whenever you finish, which is great for doing your grocery list, jotting down on the go, brain dumps, yada yada. I grabbed this pen. It is a 3-pack pen, no, 4-pack from Michaels, and this was the spring. I have some Christmas ones from last Christmas, and they have Christmas colors like the red, the green, the white, and so I had these from the spring, and I thought it was perfect to match. And she tells you how to make this, and that was super easy. And guys, here is the wallet slash cash envelope file folder, however way you call it. It is nice and roomy. It is big enough for coupons, your money, your receipts. It is sealed with Velcro. I had these little Velcro dots sealed with Velcro that I probably got from the Dollar Tree. I just added some extra adhesive to it as I placed it. This is also paper from the paper pad, so it matches. I didn't want to use up all of this paper because I thought it was so beautiful, but you actually use a lot of paper. You use a lot of paper. So if you're making one of these, you definitely want to have a whole paper pad where you can match up your papers. So not only these color papers, but white as well. And so she gives you everything. And so inside, we have the file folders, separators, where you can put money inside or receipts. So it gives you 5 pockets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actual pockets where you can put things in. I do have a label maker, so if I decide to make it specific, I will label everything. And this envelope is actually glued onto the backing of it, so it doesn't, this part does not come off, which is cool. So you'll put that right there on that, and then as you close it, closes just like a book. And you can see this is the back, has the same paper. I was thinking about placing another envelope right here or file folder or something on the back. I'm going to see, not 100% sure. Or I just may make another one, or just might make a few more, because I really do like this. And it really did not take long following her direct instructions. Just make sure that you have all of the supplies, which she lists in her video. And again, I'll leave that down in the description bar below. As long as you have all of your supplies at hand, you can do this in a quick setting. I myself started, it was kind of late, so I got tired and fell asleep, but I could have done like a couple of these in a really great setting. So it's super cute. Go by Julie Jules World. She has tons of awesome paper crafting videos. I love her channel, and some other videos as well. Great channel. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button and head over to her channel. And until next time, see ya. Bye guys.